Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Mintop Forte 5. This topical solution is specifically designed to help with hair regrowth, primarily for male pattern baldness. It contains minoxidil, which actively stimulates hair follicles. For optimal results and to ensure effectiveness, you should apply it directly to your dry scalp twice a day, ensuring consistent application every time. Applying Mintop Forte 5 correctly is absolutely crucial for its effectiveness and to achieve the best results. First, always make sure your scalp and hair are completely dry before you begin the application process. Then, use the dropper provided to carefully measure out exactly 1 milliliter of the solution. Carefully apply this directly to the specific areas of your scalp where you are experiencing hair thinning and gently massage it in. If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like. On another note, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, I highly recommend The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a fantastic book that can guide you toward financial independence. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. There are a few important things to remember when using Mintop Forte 5. Always wash your hands thoroughly right after applying the solution to avoid accidental transfer. Try not to wash your hair for at least 4 hours after application. Most importantly, consistency is vital. Use it daily for at least 4 months to begin seeing noticeable hair regrowth.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.